How to delete BIGO account permanently. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to close BIGO account permanently. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch BIGO Live application and log into your account. Then on the home page, you will see the Use section at bottom right corner. Tap on it to access this section. Now tap your icon at top right corner of the screen. On this page, select Account Management. Scroll down to the bottom. Under Account Ownership at bottom right corner, tap Delete Account Link. And then you have to enter your password for safety verification and tap Next button. Now in this section there is the account deletion condition. You have to follow all this condition, and once that is done and fulfilled, tap the confirm and continue button. Now you have to go through all this important tips and contents. You have to read and tap delete button. Before that, select I agree and agreement of account deletion and check mark that option and tap on delete account. Now tap delete account to confirm to delete account, and your account has been successfully deleted. So that's it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching.